Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am bringing you the latest release of the Manjaro 21.1, and it is based on the GNOME desktop environment, which is GNOME 40. Okay, so latest GNOME you can see here. Okay, GNOME 40 was first introduced in the Fedora distro, and now it is for Manjaro. Okay, so we will look at the distro. So before starting the video, you just like my video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and of course check my playlist. So let's get started. So now I am showing you some pictures of the installation of the Manjaro. So here you can see this is the welcome screen of the Calameras installer. Okay, and this you have to choose the location, and then the keyboard layout, and then some installation options. Okay, install alongside or replace a partition or manual partitioning. So I have chosen manual partitioning, and then okay, the manual partitioning, and then click next. And okay, so basically this is to check in which device I have to install. So I'm installing in Dev SDA3, and now partition is running, and you can see this Dev SDA3. Now click edit, and after edit just set that. Okay, this is the keyboard layout, okay, previously. And now you have to format the partition, main partition ext4 and mount point as root. Okay, now click OK. After this make a swap partition, so format it Linux swap. Okay, so okay, click OK here, and this is a EFI file system is necessary to start. So you have to just create a EFI file system. I am showing you later in the pictures. And now you have to create your username and passwords. And this is a summary. You have to give the summary. Now click install, and it will install in your system. Okay, so this is this warning you will get, and just click install now. Okay, so when installing, it is showing some screens. You can see these are some screens it is showing, and all done. Okay, so after it, just sudo update grub. I'm running update grub, and I'm getting these things. Okay, so these things I'm getting here. Okay, so this is the brand new look of the Manjaro GNOME edition, and you can see this is the very polished, very one thing I'm looking here, that this distro is a little bit buggy, but overall performance is very good, very fluid experience, very responsive distro. So now take a look. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to the applications. What applications are included here? Just see. This is the Jenny editor, maps, and this is the Pacman package manager. Okay, and these are accessories, and you can see this is not included. I have installed. Okay, videos, gthumb, and layouts. Okay, so first of all, just go to the layouts, and you can see 6 layouts are there. Okay, so you may change the layout as your need. So I'm showing you something. So this is the Manjaro legacy. So just click here and apply, and you can see this is the layout. Okay, this is the layout, right? Pretty much cool. This is the traditional layout, traditional GNOME layout. This is, and you can see this is the -2 panel actually extension is there, and you can see this is pretty much cool. All applications are there. Okay, so here you can also see which applications are installed, and this is Unity-like, so apply it. So this is Unity-like desktop, you can see. Okay, this is very cool. This is Unity-like desktop, and this is tiling desktop. Okay, and this is GNOME default GNOME desktop. Okay, and you can see this is the default GNOME desktop. Okay, so if you go to the activities, you can see like this. So I'm taking to the default desktop environment. Okay, so all these are layouts, and this is the setting. Here you can change pretty much things. Okay, dynamic wallpaper and whatever. And Wayland session open. Default is the Wayland session. Okay, but I'm using the X11 due to video recording is not supported in Wayland. Okay, but Wayland is basically very smooth. I'm telling you, very smooth experience in Wayland. Okay, touch and gestures are very good. Okay, so this is system tray window tiling. You can enable window tiling also here. Okay, just like Pop OS do. Okay, now just look at the other softwares. Accessories. In accessories you can see icon browser. Tweaks are already pre-installed here, so just go to tweak, and you can tweak the GNOME desktop environment. In appearance, here you can change the themes, applications, cursors. Okay, all things you can change basically. Okay, now fonts, keyboard and mouse, these all things you can change here. And these are startup applications. Okay, Windows title bar, you can change. Okay, all of these. Now go to the setting panel. Okay, now go to the setting panel, and here you can see that this is the basically this is the system info, and you can see this is a Manjaro GNOME 40 edition, and this is my memory is 3.2 gigabytes, and I'm using the processor, the i3 processor. And you can see this is the OS name, Manjaro Linux, and rolling edition, OS type 64-bit, GNOME edition 40.3. you can see here. Now windowing system, I have changed it to X11, but default is Wayland. Okay, due to the video recording, I properly, so I have changed it. Okay, so all these things are there. And the Linux kernel here, it is 5.13 kernel, the very much latest kernel used here, 5.13. Okay, so now look at some other things. Okay, and this is a screenshot utility. This is text editor, this is files, and you can see this is the file. Okay, so you can see this is very much. Now you can see the version number. It is integrated with the GNOME 40. Okay, and this is a text editor. Okay, and okay, now go to here. This is a document scanner. Manjaro user guide is also included. This is Lollipop. This is the music player. Okay, you will see the Manjaro user guide here. Okay, so you will get this as a PDF, user guide. This Manjaro user guide you will get in PDF. Okay, so you can see all the instructions here, right? Dual booting instructions, all the things you will get here. Okay, fine. Now check the version of the document viewer. Here you can see this is the 40.4, so it is also based on GNOME 40. Okay, and this is the nice things. You adjust all the volumes here, and go to settings. And in settings, this is the traditional setting as in the GNOME 3.38 or the 3.36. Not much change things are there. Okay, and this is mouse and touchpad. Basically here you can tap to click, touchpad speed, you can adjust it. Okay, and natural scrolling, it is default, it is on, but I'm off. I've switched off this. Okay, it's my personal reason. Okay, if you like the natural scrolling, you take on, you can turn on it. Okay, so basically this is the scrolling, and some touch gestures are also included here. Okay, the 3-finger touch gestures are included. Okay, here, and this is pretty much a cool thing. This is the GNOME 40 layout. You can see these are virtual desktops. Okay, I'm first opening some applications, and you can see now you can see this is a pretty much cool thing, and I can drag this from here to some another virtual desktop. You can see. Okay, so you can see 2 virtual desktops are here. Okay, by clicking the 2 fingers, and I can slide it here. Okay, left and right. You can see this is by only 2 fingers. Okay, and 3 fingers gestures are also available in Wayland. It is particularly pretty much well experienced, and all the things are here. Okay, that's cool. Now change the background, and you can see pretty much nice wallpapers are also included in this version. You can see lot of wallpapers, lot of very beautiful wallpapers are included here you can see all these are wallpapers, very good wallpaper. So I'm changing one wallpaper. Okay, so this looks really nice, really premium. Okay, so basically you will get the latest softwares here. So go to the software center first, so add and remove software. Here this is the default Pacman software centers for the Manjaro, and you can see these are some recommendations and categories. Okay, these are some categories. Okay, photo and video, you can see different things are here. This is music and audio. Okay, all the things, productivity and communication, news, science, education. You can see a lot of softwares are there. Okay, all the things you can see here. Okay, utilities, development, right? If you want to install any software, just click on that software. Suppose these all things are installed. Okay, if you want to install some software, just click, suppose Audacity. Okay, just click here and you will see all the things and dependencies. You can see the dependencies here, and just click install and it will be installed to your system. Okay, so about, this is the Pacman package manager 10.1 version. This is very good package manager, you can say. Okay, so all these things are here, and pretty much customizable, and but a little bit buggy. These some bugs are there here, because you are getting the latest softwares here. You are getting the latest software, so stability is not checked. Okay, so pretty much buggy, because when I'm booting just the splash screen, okay, not working well. Okay, and touch gestures are not always working, especially in X11 system, but in Wayland it is working perfectly. Now default Office here, the only Office suites, you can see this is very much close to the Microsoft Office. So only Office is really powerful, I'm saying you. Okay, it is really nice and very close to the Microsoft Office. So this is the only Office desktop suite. You can use it very well. Okay, your documents okay, will survive greatly, basically. So you can see this is the only Office layout, right? Okay, fine. This is a spreadsheet is also there. Okay, you can see this is the spreadsheet, and this is the presentation. Okay, this is the spreadsheet, similar as the Excel, you can see, right? And this is the presentation. You can make slides from here. Okay, and if you check, these are some system tools, and in system tools all the things are here. You can see printers. Okay, and you will see some actually some preview of the next apps. So you just click here. So Manjaro setting manager, this is the Manjaro setting manager. Okay, so here this language package, kernel, what kernel you are using, all things you will get here, hardware. And okay, copy, and where is hello? Okay, this is the Manjaro hello. This is the gparted, this is the partition manager, gparted, most powerful partition manager, I would say. Okay, this is the Manjaro hello. When you will install the distro, first this will appear in your screen. Okay, this is the Manjaro hello. From here you can go to the GNOME layouts directly. Okay, so the conclusion is, it is pretty much polished and well looking distro. Also smoothness is very good, but some bugs are there. Okay, so and that might be a little problem, but overall the distribution is very good, and it is integrated with the latest softwares. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next with some other Linux distro. Till then, take care and goodbye.